to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe. Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making a fruit dessert. The ingredients we're going to use are frozen peaches, frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, apple juice, and cinnamon. And it's going to be delicious. 1 cup of peaches, 2 cups of peaches, 2.5 to 3 cups of peaches, 2 cups of strawberries, we're going to use 1 cup of blueberries, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of apple juice. I mean, look at this. Beautiful, healthy dessert. We didn't any sugar, no flour, no butter. And we're gonna let it to boil. So what we're doing right now, we're just mixing it. That's the reason why you only put a half a cup of apple juice. Don't forget, all the fruits are frozen. That means they're holding water. So between the apple juice and the water for the fruit, it should be fine to boil. Looks beautiful. You see now, you can see all the liquid. You know, so soon it's gonna start boiling. It smells really good. And a half a teaspoon of cinnamon is perfect. Now the fruit are boiling, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring it down to low and I'm gonna let it simmer for 30 minutes. Our fruit dessert is ready. So it's been 30 minutes, this is simmering. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna close the fire, we're gonna leave it on the side, and we're gonna serve it warm, not hot. And it's going to be delicious. Fruit dessert. Yummy.
Wow.
So you see what we did?
Yes.
We used peaches,
Yeah.
strawberries, blueberries, a little apple juice, a little bit of cinnamon.
Yes.
We boiled it, we simmered it, we left it on the side to cool down. And now it's in front of us to enjoy.
You put a little bit of juice. Everything else, it's the juice of the fruits.
That's it, because the fruit was frozen, so
Yes.
that's the reason I only use a half a cup of apple juice.
Yeah.
But you see what happens is the peaches, they hold together well.
Oh yes. It's really good.
I mean, you like healthy food and stuff, but I think it's more like real food, not like,
No.
you know, you really taste the peach.
Yeah.
You got the blueberries, you got the strawberries. It's a good day in the neighborhood.
It is.